Hello and welcome to 25 days of holiday themed jewelry and love anything art. Begin with a ball of red clay. Roll it out into a nice ball shape. And then take a small ball of silver clay. Roll it out into a pill shape. Place that on the red ball. Give it a nice push down. This will flatten it and attach it to your piece. Then you can also tap it on a work surface to get it nice and flat. And use your slicer or cutter to make lines at the top. We'll just begin by making one on one side, make one directly across from it, put one in the middle of each of those, and then fill in the spaces in between. I'm going to use a ball of gold colored clay and a scrap piece of paper. It is stained up, but that is okay. It won't do anything to the clay. Give it a nice roll. And this is mine after I've finished rolling. And then I'll just give it a nice gentle tapping to flatten it. And you can fix up the sides. They're a little wonky. Just use the edge of your blade to do so. And I'm just going to cut off 3 even length pieces. And then I'm going to make a little loop for the top, or a bow. And to keep the center nice and open and in a circular shape, you can just wrap it around a wooden dowel or the end of a tool that you have. And you do want the bow pieces to be pretty even in size, so I'm just kind of maneuvering it a little bit. And that is a side view of it. With the other 2 pieces, I'm going to just cut off the ends at a diagonal. With each of those, I'm going to place it on top of the silver clay. This is going to be the ribbon for the base of my bow. And then give it a twist and place the other one on the other side. And then you'll just place your little bow right on top. And then give it a nice push to put it into place. And then to make it kind of decorative, with each of the ends, I'm just going to pinch it up a little bit. And it kind of gives it a nice little shape. And at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and pre-poke my eye hook hole, because things are going to get messy. After I've poked that, I'm just going to go ahead and make sure everything's in place and then put in my eye hook. I've made a second one for earrings, and I'll go ahead and bake them. Boop. And then I'll just glue in my eye hooks. And then I'm going to put resin all over the red part of the ball. Just give it a nice even coating. I do want it to be kind of thick on there, and that's because I'm going to put glitter on there. Make sure there's plenty of resin to soak up all that glitter. Then I'm just going to use this tool for dipping. And then just give it a nice, generous covering of glitter. And bling! These are done. I love them. I love the glitter. And they catch the light very pretty. some of the glitter is coming off. I'll just give it a gentle rubbing after this, and it'll take off all that excess glitter. But it's the holidays, you know, so you want a little sparkle in your life anyway. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!